Hey guys, welcome back to the anti-inflammation kitchen for gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free. So we're picking back up from the pie crust that we made. We're going to go ahead and make the filling for this, and that's a basic chocolate filling and you will love it. Okay, for the filling, I'm just going to go ahead and use the rest of this chocolate. Of course, you can always make an apple pie or any other pies. I just chose a chocolate pie because I love chocolate. So you can use this one. I also have another oat chocolate bars, which I used last time. You can use that as well. And I'm just putting some more chocolate in there. It's up to you. In the microwave, warm this up a little bit, and then I'm going to add it to my yogurt, which I'm going to put in this bowl over here. Okay, so I got the chocolate melted over here. I'm just going to go ahead and put first 2 cups of my yogurt. Then I'm going to pour my chocolatey mixture in this, and I'm going to mix this together. I'm going to go ahead and put my chocolate topping, which is the yogurt with the chocolate. It's looking so tasty. I'm just going to drizzle this around. Now it's just time to taste this. I can't wait to dig in. Oh, can you hear the crunch at the end? No, I need this. Huh? Thank you for watching this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this chocolate pie as much as I did. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free recipes. Have a great day, guys.